Hey guys, it is me, Heidi. I am feeling much better. I still have a headache though, but I think that's just because of the weather that has changed. Because I'll show you what it's been like all day, and it sucks that we can't go outside or anything to go play or go for a walk or anything, because it's been, I don't know if you can see it. It's like it shows as like a light color, but it's actually really angry clouds. Actually, let's go, Vicky. Vicky, go, 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 go. Okay, I'm gonna just come outside. Whoa, sorry. We're just gonna come outside. Never mind, it's raining. Ah, I don't like guys getting wet. But it's been, I don't know if you can hear it. You can see the water droplets, you can see the rain coming down. Probably not. But it is raining. And it's rained all day, and we couldn't go outside or do anything. So I've been literally watching movies all day. Like, I've watched, if you go on YouTube and type in Lifetime movies, I've been watching a few of those. And I'm not gonna lie, I have watched The Descendants today as well, and I like that movie. It's an awesome kid movie, so I started watching it. We may go down to Toronto tonight to visit my grandfather. He just got out of the hospital. His blood pressure spiked to a really high, it was 29 the other day, and he's been in there for about 3 days. So he's now currently home. And we might go down and see him, see how he is, because he's still not good, so we shall see. So I'm sorry that this is being filmed very late. It's, I think, 6 o'clock or almost 6:30 at night, but we'll see how the night goes. Hey, it's me, Heidi. Due to other issues, we didn't go to my grandpa's house. We ended up staying home, and I've been watching movies all night and had dinner, and it was really good. And that's it. So if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!